Question number 116. Region of maturation in a taproot. See, suppose this is a taproot. This is the root cap. This is the region of meristematic activity. This is the elongation region. And this is the maturation region or region of maturation. ओके ये आपका origin है, यहाँ से आपकी root originate हुई है. ओके so the region which are close to origin are said to be proximal, and the region which are away from the origin are said to be distal with respect to origin. Okay, region of maturation in a taproot is situated distal to elongation zone. अब region of maturation of the taproot is situated distal, वो distal end पे है elongation region के respect में या फिर proximal end पे है? It is proximal, because maturation region is, as it is close to the origin, it is proximal and not distal. So it is proximal. So this is ruled out. Region of maturation in a taproot undergoes rapid cell elongation and enlargement. No, this feature is true for elongation region. But region of maturation में क्या होता है? Elongation region के cells gradually matures to form the region of maturation. So this is incorrect. Region of maturation in a taproot gives rise to unicellular root hairs from some of its epidermal cells. This is correct. From some of its epidermal cells, it gives rise to unicellular root hairs. Okay, these are the root hairs. So this is correct. Region of maturation is the only water absorption region. No, both maturation region as well as elongation region shows absorption of water. So this is incorrect. So by this, answer to this question is option number 3. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 117. All are adventitious roots that provide extra mechanical support to the plants except stilt roots. These are the stilt roots in sugarcane. ये जो है ना ये वाली roots, ये these are the stilt roots. These provide mechanical support to the sugarcane. This is correct. Prop root. These are the prop roots. They are present in the banyan tree. They are adventitious roots which provide mechanical support. Climbing roots. This is the climbing root which is found in Piper nigrum or betel plant, and it provides the mechanical support to the plant. So this is also true. Hygroscopic root. This is the hygroscopic root found in epiphytes such as orchids, and they absorb water, absorb moisture or water, and they do not provide mechanical support. So all are the adventitious root that provide extra mechanical support to the plants except hygroscopic roots. So by this, answer to this question is option number 4. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 118. Expanded green petioles specialize for photosynthesis in some xerophytic plants like Acacia auriculiformis is. Before moving on to the options of this question, let's have a brief recap about phylloclade and phyllodes. Phylloclade, as we all know, that it is the modification of stem, and phyllodes on the contrary is the modification of leaf or petiole. Petiole becomes flattened, green, leaf-like and performs photosynthesis in phyllodes. Petiole becomes flattened, leaf-like, green and performs photosynthesis. Okay, and this is seen in acacia. So by this, answer to this question is phyllodes. Now on the contrary, stem of phylloclade becomes flattened in opuntia and cylindrical in case of euphorbia. Okay, so and then they become flattened or cylindrical leaf-like structure and performs photosynthesis. This is the case of phylloclade. So this is ruled out. Cladode and cladophil are same. They are the green stems of limited growth which have taken over the function of photosynthesis from the leaves. They are found in ruscus. Okay, so these options are also ruled out. So by this, answer to this question is option number 2. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 119. Match the following columns. Here on the left hand side you are given with some of the modifications of stems and leaves, and on the right hand side you have to identify the plants in which those modifications are found. Okay, stem tendrils, they are found in pumpkins, they are found in cucumber, and it is also found in grapevines. Talking about thorns, which is the modification of stem, it is found in citrus and it is found in bougainvillea. And then talking about the leaf tendril, it is found in peas. So by analyzing all the options, we come to know, so answer to this question is option number 2. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 120. Question number 120 says, stems that spread to new niches but do not help to tide over the unfavorable conditions of growth, that is perennation, is found in. So ऐसे stems जो new niches में spread तो हो जाती हैं, but they do not help to fight against or to protect against the unfavorable conditions. These are runners. They are found in grasses and strawberry. In ginger, modification of stem is rhizome. In turmeric, it is rhizome. In potato, it is tuber. In case of elephant foot is amorphophallus. Amorphophallus. अब amorphophallus क्या है? Amorphophallus is jamikand. And modification of stem here is corm. Okay. Talking about Jerusalem artichoke, it is helianthus. It is helianthus tuberosus. And the modification of stem in this is tuber. So by this, in grasses and strawberry, runners are found which spread to new niches, but they do not help the plant to tide over the unfavorable conditions. So answer to this question is option number 1. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 121.